Pratley Wondafix Auto is an exceptionally high-strength, flexible adhesive, making it a unique bonding and shock-resistant repair system. It is a great adhesive for a multitude of automotive repairs. It adheres to flexible and rigid materials such as leather, most rubbers, metal and other materials. Let's take a look at the properties for Pratley Wondafix Auto. It sets black in color. It is flexible, abrasion resistant, and very tough and shock resistant. Some suggested uses for Pratley Wondafix Auto include repairing cracked car dashboards, repairing electrical lead insulation, repairing damaged car bumpers, repairing scuffed and damaged radiator hoses and damaged air vent pipes, and repairing broken shoe soles. Pratley Wondafix Auto must be applied within 2 minutes of mixing. It will gel in approximately 3 minutes and it will reach 60% strength in about 4.5 hours. Pratley Wondafix Auto will reach full strength in approximately 24 hours. Surfaces to be bonded must be free of loose dirt, rust, paint, oil and grease. This will allow for optimal adhesion. Wire brushing or sanding will enhance adhesion to smooth surfaces. Chemical cleaning can be done with Pratley Safety Cleaner or industrial acetone. Wipe in one direction to remove the majority of contaminants. Pratley Wondafix Auto has a 2:1 mixing ratio. Squeeze out a bead of hardener from the small tube onto a non-absorbent mixing surface, such as a piece of cardboard. From the large tube, squeeze out 2 exactly similar beads, one on either side of the first. Replace the color-coded tube caps on the correct tubes. Now thoroughly mix the 3 beads together using a spatula or a stick. You must apply the mixed adhesive to the repair within 2 minutes of mixing. After the initial gel, smooth with a wet finger if necessary. All Pratley products carry our policy statement that states, "The performance of our products must exceed all others on the world market." Go to our website or social media platforms for more information.